Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So this is the wig I'll be installing today. I'll be reviewing this wig from Yoowigs. Came in this box. You guys know this how they package their box, so elegant, so gorgeous. So inside the box there is the wig, hairband, and a card. That is all. Then with the tag that is written Yoowigs. Okay, now about the wig. So it's very light, so light. See the color. So this is the wig. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. It has brown roots. You see it came center part, and the inside, the construction, you see, came with some combs, then adjustable strap. So the inches, is it 8 or 10? I don't know, 12. I don't really know the inches. I'll check, then I'll find out the inches, then I'm going to include it on the video for you guys to see. So this is the full length of it. See, and it's bob. See that? This summer we need something like this. Short bob wig like this is a must for this summer. It's like it's on the side. Okay, it's not center part. I thought it's center, but it's not center. It's corner part. See this? I like all this short wig. If you like short wig, you don't like long ones during the summer, you need to get this wig because it's just, and it's very light. I'm not feeling anything. It's as if I'm not wearing anything. This is it. I'm going to cut the excess lace. This is ready to go. If you like short wig, you're going to like this because it's easy going and it's lightweight. All my things are finished. Even the hair, you see, is finished. I need to go and buy. I need to go and buy. Everything is finished. Everything is finished. I need to buy most of all these things. Hair mousse, styling gel. See the knots. Wow, I did not bleach that, but it looks good. So let me cut the lace from it and see. I was thinking I don't know if I can do a way of not gluing these, gluing the wig down. Let me see if I can do that.
Big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends. I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up.
Yeah, this is cool. is cool. The hair, see, shed. I don't know whether because of the trimming, I'm seeing some shedding from it. See this? I'm also shedding from this hair. So take note of that. I don't feel like gluing this wig down. Let's see if we can maneuver this. Don't feel like gluing it down. So I will leave the link on the description, so if you're interested, check that out. All you need to know about this wig will be on the description. It's from Yoowigs. Yeah, the density is 150, I think so. Guys, since it's bob, I don't want to waste my time gluing it down, so I'll just use styling gel. Touch the edges like this. So those are the parts we will see. Just the parts you're going to see. So I need to like make this lap. Just those parts I know they are going to see. That's what I'll glue down. Just add gel to make it look flat. You already made my day. 다가와서 화가 나질 때 충전되는 이 느낌. 너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아. So guys, I went ahead to tie it down. So I'm going to lose it. So I'm going to put cream, apply cream on it. And apply oil on it because the hair looks so dry. It's really dry. I need oil. Guys, that is it. So that is it. I'll leave the link to this unit on the description box. See, it's so perfect. I did not do much. Okay, see, it's bob. I left it bob like this. I wanted to reduce it to this length, but I just decided to leave it like this. But you can still reduce it to up to this length. Okay, if you want, if you don't like it this long. So I will leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.